very good morning, students. So, students are 5 for students are 5 for. How are you all? Students, this is your English grammar class. Today, I will repeat the syllabus. Clear? So, students, get ready. I repeat the syllabus. Get ready. Please note down the syllabus. English Marigold, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, okay, and Unit 5. Clear, students? Marigold book, Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4 and Unit 5. Marigold book. And English grammar. Chapter number 2, 3, chapter number 2 English grammar. I am telling about English grammar syllabus. Chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Then 27, 29, 30, 31, 34 up to this. I repeat, chapter number 2, the sentence. Chapter number 3, subject and predicate. Chapter number 4, parts of speech. Chapter number 5, nouns, then nouns singular and plural, then nouns gender, nouns possession, adjectives, pronouns, subject verb agreement, preposition, conjunctions, punctuation and capital letters, synonyms and antonyms. Okay. Paragraph writing and story writing, chapter number 37 and 38 will not come in the exam because the question will be in MCQ pattern. So, clear to all students. Today we will revise chapter number 27, subject verb agreement. Get ready. Subject verb agreement. There are some rules. The first one, a verb must agree with its subject. A verb must agree with its subject. Next, a singular noun, okay, a singular noun takes a singular verb with it. A singular noun takes a singular verb with it. For example, the boy is going. Okay, boy singular noun, is singular verb. Clear? Next, plural, a plural noun. At first it was singular noun, now it is plural noun takes a plural verb. Takes a plural verb. At first a singular noun takes a singular verb with it. Now a plural noun takes a plural verb with it. For example, the boys are going. The boys Plural noun, isn't it? Boys are plural verb. Clear? Next. A singular pronoun takes a singular verb with it. A singular pronoun. A singular pronoun takes a singular verb. A singular pronoun takes a singular verb with it. For example, he is a good boy. He, singular pronoun, is singular verb. Already we noticed is singular verb. So a singular pronoun always takes a singular verb with it. Clear, students? Next, a plural pronoun. A plural pronoun always takes a plural verb with it. Like a plural noun takes, as we already saw, plural noun takes plural verb. Similarly, a plural pronoun takes plural verb with it. For example, they are going. They, plural pronoun, are plural verb. And the last one, pronoun, the pronoun you. You, the pronoun you always takes a plural verb with it. Okay, so the pronoun you, it always takes plural verb. For example, we write you are going, okay, or you were going. We cannot write you is going, you is going, or you was going. No, you cannot write. You always takes a plural verb with it. Clear, students? So I repeat. Today we are revising subject verb agreement. The first condition is a verb must agree with its subject. Clear? This is the first one. The second one, a singular noun always takes a singular verb with it. For example, the boy is going. Here the singular noun is boy. Clear? And is, the verb is also singular verb. Clear, students? Now, the next condition is a plural noun, the third number, a plural noun always takes a plural verb. For example, the boys are going. Boys, plural number, are, boys plural noun, and are plural verb. Hope it is clear. Next, a singular pronoun always takes a singular verb with it. Pronoun we know, I, we, he, she, they, lots of. He is a, for example, he is a good boy. He is a singular pronoun, and is a singular verb. Next condition, a plural pronoun always takes a plural verb with it. For example, they are going. They is a plural. They is a plural pronoun. They is a plural pronoun and are plural verb. So we must remember, a plural pronoun always takes a plural verb with it. Next, last condition is the pronoun you always takes a plural verb. We write you are going, You were going. We cannot write you is going. We cannot write this. You was going. No, you cannot write. That is not correct. So, this is subject verb agreement. Today's class is very short. That's why next day we will do the next part. Now, come to the next page. There are some conditions also we must remember. The first one, if we join two singular noun or pronoun using and, then plural, and therefore we take a plural verb. For example, if we write Ram and Robi are going. If we take two singular noun, okay, if we join two singular noun with and, okay, using and, then it becomes plural. That's why it will take a plural verb with it. Similarly, if we join two singular pronoun, okay, then also he and she are going. He, it is a singular pronoun, she is a singular pronoun, and using and, if we join two singular pronoun using and, then we will take a plural verb. Clear? Okay, students. So, today we will continue this chapter in the next class. Now, I want to say something. The thing is, now it is festive season, Diwali is coming. We all are waiting for this festive season every year. This time is not the same as it was in the last year or in the previous years. This year, the situation is quite different and serious. That's why we should remember some safety rules. For example, we should sanitize our hands. We use frequently hand sanitizer because sanitizer kills the germs, okay, kills the coronavirus germs, and we should not go out. Student, you must not go out if it is not so urgent. Clear? Stay at home because that is the safe place. And whenever you will go out, wear mask, isn't it? And after coming home, we must wash your clothes and wash your everything, even the mask also, and use sanitizer. And if we go out, if it is a crowded place, we should avoid that place. And when we will go to shop or market for necessary things, then we should maintain the proper distance. Clear? Why? Because at present, the present time demands that, so that we can celebrate the festival next year with our heart's content. Why? You know, in Ramayana, we know that Ravan took away Sita, isn't it? How it was possible? Because she crossed the Lakshman Rekha, the limit, okay? That's why Ravan was able, okay? That's why he won. This time we have to defeat this coronavirus, okay? So this time the demon is the coronavirus. So we want to get rid of this coronavirus. We want to kill this virus. So what we will do? We will wear mask. we frequently use hand sanitizer, we will remain at home, and we will celebrate the Diwali or any festival only with our family members. We should not go out if it is not necessary. We should maintain social distance. Clear? Okay. So, happy Diwali students, and enjoy happy and safe Diwali, as well as happy Children's Day in advance. Okay. So, today up to this. Bye students.